Hi guys, welcome to 73Avenue Realtors. My name is Nishadi and I'll be giving you a small look into one of the most luxurious apartments right here in Colombo. So what I'll be showing you right now is a 420 square feet, one bedroom apartment unit. So as you enter the apartment, you have a open kitchen area. You've got a lot of storage over here and plenty of storage over here as well. So as you move past the kitchen, this is what you get. You've got a cute little lounge area, I would say. This can be your dining spot as well, however you like it. And this is your living space. So this is something very minimalistic, very decent, especially for someone like myself. Since it's a single bedroom unit, it's very, very convenient. So one of the things I really love about this apartment is how conveniently it's located. This is located right in the heart of Colombo. You have Colombo 7 just a couple of minutes away. You've got so many restaurants within arm's reach, and you've got supermarkets like Spa and Kiehl's just 2 minutes away, and you've got Colombo City Center as well. So there you've got ample amount of stores when it comes to shopping malls and such. So now you're walking right into the bedroom. You've got a built-in closet and a bed and a lot of storage over there. Cool thing about this space is, even though it may seem like it's small, you can actually fit a queen size bed in this unit, something that I really like. And on one end you have the view of the Colombo skyline. So another cool thing about this apartment is, although it may seem small and very compact with all this furniture, they have actually taken into consideration the circulation pattern when designing this layout, so you don't really feel congested as you walk in. So right after your bedroom you get your bath. So this is conveniently designed as well. It has ample amount of space, something that I really love about this unit. One of the fancy things about this apartment is you have a lot of amenities. You have a gym, you have a 500-meter jogging track, 2 swimming pools, a yoga deck, a meditation court, even a children's play area. So you don't get all of this in one spot, guys. So